How to sell crypto on crypto.com. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how you can sell crypto on crypto.com. In order to sell crypto on crypto.com, you'll need to make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. And then to begin with, first thing first, go ahead and log in into your crypto.com account. Also, before you do the trading process, make sure that your account is verified. And then to begin with, now go ahead and tap the trade button located in the top left hand side corner. Next, you'll be able to see a drop down menu. So from the list, go ahead and tap on the sell button located right at the bottom. After that, you'll need to select the asset that you wish to sell. Go ahead and select the asset. Now you'll have to set up a fiat wallet first of all, since you're selling a crypto. And then you need to go ahead and enter the exact amount of crypto that you're selling. If you're sure about it, then tap on the sell button to confirm your order. After that, you'll need to go through all of these information and click the confirm button located right at the bottom. And as soon as you've done that, you'll be receiving a notification stating that you've successfully sold crypto on crypto.com. So in that way, you can sell crypto at crypto.com. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.